I am Mayank Mishra. In our previous video, we have completed our chapter, our atmosphere, in which we have studied the layers of the earth, composition of the layers of the atmosphere, composition of the atmosphere, etc. These things we have understand in previous chapter, our atmosphere. Now, in this video, we will start a new chapter, weather and climate. So, before this is introduction video, first video of this chapter, so you have to understand the meaning of weather and climate. So most of you have and understand that weather and climate are both one things, but not. Weather and climate are different things. So but the weather is a atmospheric condition of a particular place, but a climate is a total number of atmospheric conditions in a larger area. So firstly read both the definition of both. Weather. A weather is a day-to-day condition of the atmosphere in a particular place for a short period of time. And by this, the climate is the sum total of atmospheric condition over a larger area over a longer time. It averages of 30 to 35 years. So suppose the weather is a day-to-day condition, that it is day-to-day condition, and climate is the long weather is a day-to-day condition and in short place, not in larger area. It is an area in a particular area, but a climate is a atmospheric condition of all places, many places, and it is for a longer area, longer time, and it is about 30 to 35 years average. So I explained you both of these. That I suppose this is place A, and if you will call patient and ask him what is the weather of your time, what is the atmospheric condition of your area, so he will say I have sunny. I have sunny weather, and if you call weather B at that time, it is that if you will say the B will say I have rainy. So the place A has sunny and the place B have rainy. So this is the atmospheric, that A has another atmospheric condition and the B has another atmospheric condition. So this is weather of that both places. This is the weather of both places, sunny and rainy. This sunny, the rainy. It is not that every time raining at B place. No, sometimes weather sunlight also comes. So this is the weather that it is day-to-day condition, not for a longer time, and it is for a short area. This is only for B, not for A. That A is sunny and B and this is the day-to-day condition. That is not like every time raining at your area. No, so it is day-to-day conditions of a particular place. That B is a particular place. It is raining. So on what is climate? So and shorter period of time. Short period of time means that as I have told you that rainy is not every time, every year rain comes at your place. No, it is very short period of time. It comes only for short period of time. As now let's move to climate. So climate, as the place A has sunny, weather, and the B has rainy weather. Rainy weather. So when this is the day-to-day condition, but when is the most of the time which weather comes in both places. Suppose if you live in Africa, Central Africa, so Africa or Russia, suppose you live in Russia, so in Russia also sunny seasons come, also rainy seasons comes, but you have heard that the Russia is the main climate of the Russia is snow, wind, snow, cold climate. So this is the cold climate of Russia. This is not in Russia also sunny comes, rainy comes, but it is day-to-day conditions. These are day-to-day conditions, but the main atmospheric conditions, the main atmospheric condition of Russia is very cold region. The Russia is in cold region, so this atmospheric condition will be cold region. Suppose in India, like you see, that is not that every time rainy, every time wind, every time cold. So no, this is in India there is tropical region. region. Tropical region means that it is in not very cold, not very sunny. So this is the between middle area. So this is the tropical region in India. India tropical. Tropical region, that it is not that in India very sunny or very cold. So this is the atmospheric condition of India, that it is for a time that India has not, it is not that you live in, suppose in Pratapgarh. So the in this that Pratapgarh has only rain. No, this is the atmospheric condition of whole India is tropical. Tropical means that middle, not too much cold, not too much hot. So like in Central Africa means the temperature of Central Africa is hot because this lies on the equator. So this is the temperature, the atmospheric condition of the Central Africa is very hot. So in Central Asia also rains come, but not for all time the rains come. The for larger time there is sunny, there is very hot region. So this is the atmospheric condition. This is the atmospheric condition of Africa, that is hot. So the weather is the day-to-day condition, that it changes in days. So suppose when you wake up you see, yes, this is very good sunny hot is come. Hot means temperature is high, but as the day runs and at evening the weather, suppose the rain comes. So this is not a particular that if you see sunny weather is be always at your day. No, the weather is can changes into day to day or hour to hour. So it is the day-to-day condition of atmosphere, or for a particular place, like it is only for Paltan Bazaar, Pratapgarh, etc. But the climate is the whole country or very larger place, and it is for the weather is a shorter period of time, for day or for few hours. But the climate is the sum total of atmospheric conditions, that the total of sunny and rainy and the ratio, etc. The both of them at atmospheric condition for a larger area and longer time. So and its average is 30 to 35 years. 30 to 35 years, that climate also changes. But it is the average as that after 30 to 35 years the climate of a place changes. So the weather and climate are changes by these factors: temperature, pressure, humidity, wind and rainfall. The temperature of a place determines the weather or climate. Also the pressure also humidity means that amount of water present in air, humidity, and wind and by rainfall. So these topics we will study in this chapter: temperature, pressure, humidity, wind and rainfall. So I hope you have understand this topic, weather and climate. This was basically an introduction videos. Now in another video we will understand temperature. So till then, thank you. Save tree, save earth.